What's the meaning of Aries? Aries. Aries.
Aries. Aries. Aries is the first astrological sign in the zodiac and represents the fire element. People born under this sign are typically characterized as confident, courageous, and energetic individuals who enjoy taking on new challenges and pursuing their goals with enthusiasm. They can also be impulsive and prone to selfish behavior at times. In general, Aries is associated with new beginnings, leadership, and independence. As a result, those with an Aries personality are often drawn to careers that allow them to be creative, assertive, and in control.